This device is called a line isolation monitor. You may have seen devices like these on the walls of operating rooms and in other locations in a healthcare facility. Line isolation monitors are integral components of hospital isolated power systems. The National Fire Protection Association, also known as the NFPA, publishes a series of regulations known informally by contractors and electricians as the Fire Code, which outlines safety standards for electrical distribution systems. The code book that pertains specifically to electrical systems in healthcare facilities is NFPA 99. Section 3.3.89 of NFPA 99 defines an isolated power system as a system comprising an isolation transformer or its equivalent, a line isolation monitor, and its ungrounded circuit connectors. Section 3.3.9 of NFPA 99 defines a line isolation monitor as a test instrument designed to continually check the balanced and unbalanced impedance from each line of an isolated circuit to ground and equipped with a built-in test circuit to exercise the alarm without adding to the leakage current hazard. In an isolated power circuit, a ground fault would result in an alarm, but power would not be interrupted. According to NFPA 99, hospital isolated power systems must be tested and recertified once per year by a qualified, credentialed inspector. And this is where we come in. We can perform your annual inspection and recertification of isolated power systems, including line isolation monitors. We will provide you with the documentation necessary to maintain compliance with NFPA 99, the Environment of Care Standards of the Joint Commission, and all other applicable regulations. We are ready to schedule your isolated power system inspections for the evenings and/or on the weekends to provide minimum disruption of surgical operations. We can also provide replacement of inoperative line isolation monitors and perform system retrofits when necessary. Feel free to contact us with any questions you may have about isolated power systems or to schedule your isolated power system and line isolation monitor recertification.